Imagine a property with a panoramic view of Makati skyline, Laguna de Bay, and as we can see guys, napakahangin po because of its high elevation. And a lot of open spaces because of its premium development with 18 holes golf course inside. Welcome to Ayala Greenfield Estates here in Calamba, Laguna. Magandang buhay to all of our clients, especially Filipino working abroad and mga viewers natin dito sa Pilipinas. I am Pa of Lux Properties and today is very special dahil this is new to our channel, no? We are here at Ayala Greenfield Estates in Calamba, Laguna dahil meron tayong newly launched na phase which is ang phase 10. This development is an existing development na po. As we can see, nasa likod ko ang ating road networks, no? It connects, no, papunta sa ating main road. Pero existing na po itong project na to at nandito po tayo specifically sa ating phase 10 dahil ito po yung pre-selling project natin. So kitang-kita natin guys, okay na po yung mga road networks sa loob po ng subdivision, no? And makikita natin na may mga muhon na po dun sa mga lot natin which marks the lot sizes or the lot itself po ng mga lote dito sa loob po ng phase 10. We are here sa ating viewing deck, no? So if you're going to see the actual lot, no, dito lang po tayo allowed na magstay or tignan yung mga available lots. And from here, no, makikita na natin yung sinabi natin sa intro na Makati skyline, Laguna de Bay, no? Also, nakikita nga natin yung Rizal na windmill dito, halos tanaw ng mata natin. But makikita natin na sobrang hangin, sobrang lawak ng development, no? Because Ayala Greenfield Estates po, yung whole development as of today is 350 hectares na po yung meron dito. But itong phase 10, no, this is a low density development. And as of now, itong phase 10, no, this is our pre-selling kasi kita naman natin even yung road networks to main road, no, is ginagawa pa lang po. If you're not yet familiar with the location, no, we are here at Calamba, Laguna. So, sa ngayon, guys, if galing kayong Manila or galing kayong Batangas, no, yung pwede nating daanan is yung SLEX po, no, kagaya namin na we are from Santa Rosa, Laguna. Dumaan kami via SLEX, then nag-exit kami through Turbina, Real, going to Ayala Greenfield Estates. But for now, yun pa lang po yung madadaanan natin, no. But meron pong ongoing na kaka-ground break pa lang po na magkakaroon po ng exit going to directly to Ayala Greenfield Estate through Bukal Bypass Road po. So, pagkalagpas natin ng tulay, no, doon po papasok yung Bukal exit. That makes the subdivision or the developments, the Ayala Greenfield Estate, more premium dahil it creates an exclusivity, no, na magkaroon ng exit, no, na napakabilis na exit or entry going to South Luzon Expressway that connects, no, the Manila and Batangas. Here in the south, no, may tatlong Ayala name lang po na development dito. So we have Ayala Alabang in Alabang, we have Ayala West Grove in Silang, and now nandito tayo sa Ayala Greenfield Estates here in Calamba. Those said development po ng Ayala Land Premier po is the flagship development of Ayala Land Premier. Ibig sabihin, kapag flagship development, malaking lot size po yung starting natin. Kagaya dito sa Ayala Greenfield Estates, which starting po natin is 560 square meter. To give a bird's eye view of the development, no, dito from Makati BGC, ito yung sinasabi natin na tanaw natin from Ayala Greenfield Estate. So imagine, the elevation here is 280 meters above sea level. And this is the bird's eye view of the development and that mga infrastructure na nagko-connect through Ayala development. So we have Vermosa in Alabang or Danghari, we have Roadfield in Binyan, and we have New Valley in Santa Rosa and Calubang, and we have Southmont in Silang. So those development is part of the Ayala Lands Master Plan Estates po, including the Ayala Greenfield Estate, which magkakaroon po sa labas natin ng Central Business District in the future. So that means if you invest a lot here at Ayala Greenfield Estates, kasabay mo din madedevelop yung mga nasa palibot niya or specifically yung nasa labas as part of their master plan or community ng Ayala Greenfield Estates. So andito pa rin tayo sa ating viewing deck kung saan meron tayong map of the development of whole Phase 10. As we can see na napaka-low density ng ating development as pre-selling. And makikita natin dito from the viewing deck, ongoing pa lang din yung mga road networks, lalo na dun sa main road, no? Low density development makes the community even more secured and exclusive, no? So, iba-iba yung lots. Pansin nyo, iba-iba yung lot sizes, iba-iba yung lot color because every lot ay magkakaiba po ng view natin. So, dito sa development, we have a Prime Plus, no? Ito yung mga malalaking lot sa average lot na ino-offer natin. We have Brookside, we have Greenside, we have Greenview, and Nature View. This sample computation is for spot cash with a discount of almost 8 million pesos. And that makes the total contract price of the 568 square meter of the Block 7, Lot 3 is 23.1 million. That means the total contract price of this sample computation as spot cash for the Block 7, Lot 3 with 568 square meter is priced at 26.8 million for the spot cash. And for the long term naman, since we mentioned this lot is specifically for retirement or if you want to enjoy playing golf dito sa loob mismo ng Ayala Greenfield Estates, we have a longest payment term here. So from the price, no, but this one guys, wala nang discount since this isn't spot cash na po eh. But if you will pay it in spot cash po, yun, nasabi ko kanina, almost 8 million po yung discount. But if you're eyeing for the longest term, no, pwede rin po tayo, but wala na pong masyadong discount kagaya nung spot cash natin. So the special promo of this Phase 10, so to make it simple, we have a 10% down payment and the other 40% is payable up to 60 months. And yung remaining na 50% is payable after matapos natin yung 60 months. So, ang kagandahan sa payment terms na to guys, wala siyang interest po. But wala nga lang siyang discount kagaya ng spot cash, but it is the longest term that we can offer. So, pwede naman nating malaro, no, yung mga discounts. It depends on how would you like to pay the actual lot na mapipili natin. I hope you enjoy watching these videos, no? I am Pao of Lux Properties, and if you are interested or you are someone who's going to retire here in the Philippines, no, you may consider this property. This is a newly launched phase here at Ayala Greenfield Estates with a good payment terms, no? Napaka-premium ng development with a lot of open space, no? Ang sariwa ng hangin because of its high elevation. May view tayo ng Makati skyline, Laguna de Bay, no? Panoramic view. So ang ganda pag tinayuan natin ang bahay in the future for our retirement. So if you're interested, just send us a message through our Viber, WhatsApp, and iMessage. That's +639 171248 304. And see you on our next video.